Hey everybody, it's Jesse with King Steel Fasteners here. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to replace your latch in the small line King Steel Fastener Series tool. So this will apply to the HC516, HC516T, HC715, and HC716. The tools you will need is a 7/16" wrench, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a 3/16 Allen wrench or T-handle Allen wrench. And now Dennis will show you how to install a new latch.
First you pull your pusher back and hook it on the hook. Take your T-handle and wrench.
So now you're putting this right on the jaw bolts, correct? And you're loosening this bolt. You're going to do it on both top and bottom here. So you have the 7/16 wrench on the nut on the back and the 3/16" Allen on the front.
Then you hold your latch spring away from the jaws. Use your needle nose pliers to grab the latch and pull it out.
Yep, so he's got the old latch here. He's got the new latch sitting right here ready to be installed.
Once again, hold your latch spring out, slide new latch in behind, and tighten your bolts.
And like I mentioned before, this is for all small line tools, HC516, 516T, HC715, and HC716. So 1/2 inch 16 gauge, 15 gauge 3/4 inch, and 16 gauge 3/4 inch. And you're all done.